There has been an outpouring of people looking to volunteer and help in any way they can in Kerr County.
Many volunteers have traveled from hundreds of miles away, including from a ministry called Restoration of Hope. Karina Hollingsworth reports.
There was kids and adults hanging onto these trees, screaming for help, calling for their mommy and daddy, and no one came, and they got washed away. And where they're at today, we don't know. And it's a good possibility they were washed away and got killed. And so that part, knowing you couldn't go out there to be sitting here and to hear the screams, but not be able to help, has to be a horrible thing to go through.
Danny Stone knew digging through the rubble of their destroyed homes would be traumatic for survivors. That's why he and 10 other men from Restoration of Hope came to Kerr County equipped with a Bobcat tractor, ready to offer their hand to anyone who needs help. Danny Wayne Lyon says he was touched by the remains of once happy homes lying in the debris.
I've seen things that, you can see of a relationship, and that's hard when you run across some pictures, of dad, mama, and kids, together, Christmas pictures, birthday pictures. It really hurts.
Stone says he can only imagine the pain survivors would feel if they had to dig through the rubble of their destroyed homes.
It's touching to be able to, it hurts to know that this was actually one time someone's home, and we're going to put it in a dumpster and haul it away like trash, and because that's what it is today. And so that's really hurts.
Looking to spread love and hope in a time of disaster, the 11-man crew says they will stay by Kerr County's side for as long as they are needed.
Our motto for our ministry is to turn a mess into a message. And wherever mess is here, we want to turn it into a message of love and what God can do when He shows up. So we want to make ourselves available to anybody in the community that needs help, that can't afford it, to call us up. We'll come out and we'll clean it up, and no charge. We just want to serve.
That was Karina Hollingsworth reporting. By the way, our parent company, Tegna, has created a relief fund to raise money for those areas impacted by flash floods. Just text the word FLOOD to 207-828-6622, and we'll send you a link to donate. And by the way, all donations are tax deductible.